my friends, today I'm going to do a review of HT30. Now these are the premium smartwatches that you can currently purchase from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorwing and it comes with Open Harmony OS. It also has a high silicon chipset which is smooth in terms of performance, and we get a large 1.73 inches AMOLED display, and it has 2 GB of internal storage. So the color that I have here is one in silver and the other one I got here is in black color. So I'm going to show you both of these color which is available. So that depends which one you like the most. So let me just quickly show you the watches. And these are very premium watches, guys. Trust me, the build quality is outstanding on these. It is made out of aluminum on the side, as you can see. So we have power button and rotating crown key. So inside the box, let me just quickly show you, we only get our charging dock, and here's a quick start guide, which we actually don't need, guys. It's really easy to pair these watches. So you just need to download an application called the Fit application, DAFIT, DAFIT, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So let me just put these to the side. And yeah, here is the first look. As you can see, the watches look really premium, guys, honestly, and you can pair these with the Android or iOS. So let me just quickly boot these. So the power button is on the bottom right, as you can see. So we get a Open Harmony logo, and look at the display, guys. So let me just turning this on, the other one. As you can see, the display is outstanding, guys. The bezel is quite thin, and the display, we get a really large dial compared to the other smartwatches. And because of AMOLED display, it's looking really amazing in my opinion. So let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the display. And it is also very smooth, guys. As you can see, we get a really smooth user interface. The price is quite expensive, but honestly, guys, in this price range, you are getting this type of smartwatch with this level of performance is amazing. And you also get a haptic feedback on the rotating crown key, which is also really nice. But honestly, guys, I'm really impressed by the performance. So let me just quickly show you. These are the watch faces that we get. There are a lot of watch faces, guys, pre-installed. So, and it comes with the real AMOLED display, guys. It has 128 MB RAM and 90 Hz refresh rate. That's why the screen looks really smooth. So here is another watch face. Let me just quickly show you the animations. Just check the animations, guys. And the display quality, it's amazing, guys. The resolution is outstanding in my opinion. So we get 400 milliamps of battery as well. And it is waterproof. They are claiming that IP67, which is honestly not that great. It's not IP68, but they are mentioning waterproof. Anyways, let's check the menu. Here is our applications. If you swipe to the right, activity, sleep tracking, heart rate monitor, stress level, SpO2, and we got weather application. So yeah, guys, in terms of performance, this one is looking really nice. So let me just quickly show you another watch faces that we got here. We have a lot of watch faces, guys, and you can also add a video watch face, which is really nice to see. So the built-in watch faces we got here is 29 watch faces pre-installed, which is amazing in my opinion. And you can also download 10 more from the store, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Check this one, guys. The animations, really amazing. The colors look amazing, guys. And yeah, the OS is also very smooth. So you cannot change the menu by tapping the crown key. Let me just quickly show you how to change it. So yeah, here is another menu style, which is looking really nice with big icons. Let's try another menu style. This one is okay. Let's change to this one. The the soccer one. Yeah, this one is also looking really nice. The animations looks smooth, and the battery life of this one, I've heard it's really good, but I'm gonna tell you in the future video. I believe you can get around 5 days of battery life, so I'm not 100% sure, but currently this one is only at a very low percentage, 2%. I'm just showing you. Let me just quickly turn down the brightness. You only got 2% of battery life left, so I'm gonna be switching to the black model. It has more battery, more juice in it. So here, as you can see, we got a lot of menu styles. So it also has NFC, but it does not support NFC payment, unfortunately. So let me just quickly show you. The strap quality is also really nice. And yeah, overall a really great smartwatch in my opinion, 100% worth it. So let me just quickly see. The heart rate monitor is also working fine. If you put it on a table, it won't measure. That means they are using a really good heart rate sensor. And yeah, display, I'm really loving the display, guys. So let me just quickly pair this. This one. Just install the application, the Fit application from Google Play Store or App Store, and then just open this application. I think the watch is gonna die, but I'm gonna show you how to pair it. So let me just quickly click on allow. We got two HT30. I believe the top one is this one. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, the watch is gonna die, this one, the silver model. So we are gonna be focusing on the black variant. So it's really easy to pair these watches, guys. You don't need to worry about pairing, especially on these model. Just turn on the Bluetooth on your device and you are good to go after you install the application. So yeah, the watch died as you can see. So we are gonna switch to the black variant, and the black one also looks really nice, guys. I mean, the colors really pop. So let me know in the comments down below if you like the silver one or the black one. So just unbind this one and we are gonna pair this one again. HT30. Let me turn on this one and click on pair. So it's now paired, and this one we get a bluish type of strap, not pure black, you can see, but still looks very good. So the strap quality is amazing, guys. And let me just quickly show you. Now let me just quickly show you the watch faces. Let's go into face gallery, and from here you can download tons of watch faces. So let me just quickly set up a watch face. You can download additional 10 watch faces, guys, and these all watch faces are for free, so you don't need to buy them, which is also very good. So let's apply this one and see how much time it takes to apply the watch face. So yeah, it's taking a little bit longer compared to HK10 Ultra, which I honestly don't like, guys. It should be fast when you apply a new watch face. Still it's applying. As you can see, the speed is very slow. But yeah, guys, the build quality is outstanding in this one. So yeah, it takes a little bit longer to apply a watch face, but it's okay. Not that fast compared to the other smartwatches. Now it's applied, as you can see, guys. Check the quality, check the display quality. Amazing, guys. The AMOLED, the colors really look amazing, and the display that they are using in this one is really high quality display. And the raise to wake feature is also working really nice, and it also has palm gesture. So yeah, you can download also applications from the store. It also has GPT, the GPT, I don't know, it's an AI version. And we have App Market, so you can download some applications from here. AI watch face, and you can install game. So yeah, these are the applications that you can install. Let me just quickly go back, and there is a pre-installed game. So here, as you can see, the bezel size is also really thin. So because of a large AMOLED display, the display looks really nice. And yeah, if we swipe from the top, you get this quick menu style. Let me just quickly turn down the brightness. So overall, I really like this watch. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. And if you like this video, guys, please click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot. So currently I'm wearing Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5. So let's see how it looks. This one looks on my wrist. So yeah, this looks amazing, guys. The dial is a little bit big for some people, but I really like this one. As you can see, looks really premium. So yeah, this one does not have juice. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you like. And thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.